Have you ever wondered what if some creatures from legend were actually real? I mean, some stories are so old, they feel less like fiction and more like warnings passed down for a reason. Today, I will show you 7 creatures that blur the line between myth and reality. At number 7, mermaid. Most people think of a mermaid as a beautiful woman with a fish tail singing near the shore, but the older legends were much darker. In ancient stories, mermaids lured sailors with voices so beautiful they could make men lose control and crush their ships. In some versions, they had sharp teeth and a voice that sounded almost human, but wrong enough to feel cursed. Over time, Siren and the Grateful Mermaid slowly merged into a one. People began seeing them as the same creature. But if you go back far enough, the stories were never safe. They were warnings. Today, mermaids appear everywhere in movies and cartoons, but the original legends were about danger and the deep unknown. Number 6, dragon. Dragons are one of the oldest creatures ever imagined. In Europe, they were fire-breathing monsters with wings like bats and bodies covered in armor. In Asia, they were powerful, wise and tied to rain, storms and the sky. Some dragons were said to guard treasures. Others were seen as symbols of kingship and power. For centuries, people found giant bones, saw strange reptiles and built dragon legends around them. Then science gave us something even more real. Quetzalcoatlus, a giant flying reptile, ruled the skies millions of years ago. Its wings were wider than a small airplane, and when it looked off, it would have looked like a shadow covering the sun. Number 5, the blue. This one is not a creature you can see, but one you can hear. In 1997, scientists recorded a strange underwater sound in the South Pacific. It was so powerful that for a while, people believed it had to come from some enormous unknown sea creature. The internet went wild with theories. Some said it was a monster, others said it was something even bigger than a whale. Later, scientists said it was probably caused by cracking ice in Antarctica. But even then, the legend did not die, because when something like that comes from the depths of ocean, people do not just hear a sound, they hear the possibilities of something waiting below. Number 4, Mothman. In the late 1960s, people in Point Pleasant, West Virginia, started reporting something terrifying. A tall black figure with giant wings and glowing red eyes. Some said it followed people at night. Others believed it appeared before disaster. And the legend grew even darker. Was Mothman a creature, a prank, or just fear taking shape? No one knows, but what makes Mothman so creepy is that he does not need to attack to be terrifying. He just appears, watches, and disappears again. Number 3, Ningen. Deep in the frozen waters near Antarctica, sailors and internet users began telling stories about a strange white humanoid creature called Ningen. It was said to be massive, ghost-like, and almost too strange to describe properly. Some reports said it had a smooth body, long limbs, and no clear face at all. Others claimed it looked half human, half something else. Most of the photos turned out to be fake, but the legend kept spreading. Why? Because Antarctica is huge, cold, and barely explored. If there is anywhere on Earth where a creature could hide, that would be it. The Kraken. For centuries, sailors have feared the Kraken, a giant sea monster said to rise from the deep and pull entire ships underwater. Legends from Norway and Iceland describe a beast so massive it could look like an island. When it surfaced, its long arms were said to grab whales, crush ships, and drag everything into the dark below. In old stories, the ocean around it would foam and swirl like a storm had opened beneath the waves. But then giant squids were finally filmed in the real world, proving that the deep sea can hide creatures far stronger than most people imagine. Today, the Kraken appears in movies, games, and books everywhere. Was the Kraken just a myth, or was it a memory of something real waiting in the dark? Number 1, Griffin. Half eagle, half lion. The griffin was one of the most feared and respected creatures in ancient mythology. It had the body, tail, and strength of a lion, but the wings, sharp beak, and deadly eyesight of a giant eagle. In old legends, griffins guarded hidden treasures buried deep in deserts and mountains. They were seen as a symbol of power, protection, and royalty. Some historians believe the myth may have started when people discovered dinosaurs' fossils in desert and mistook them for giant eagle-lion beasts. Others think the legend came from huge predatory birds that once hunted early humans. Whatever the truth is, the griffin became one of the most iconic mythical creature ever imagined, because unlike monsters that hide in darkness, the griffin ruled the skies like a king.